Hello everyone, Rodison Ostabalahon speaking here, and today I'm going to be showcasing you my practical exam project. And for this project, I'm planning to make an automated watering system. You might be asking, how? We never tried making this project during class. First things first, I would like to give credits to Easytronics because that's where I learned how to make and code the automated watering system. In the Arduino Innovation proposal, I did draw a picture of how this project will look like, and I explained the benefits and how it works and how it helps the agriculture. Without further ado, I present to you my automated watering system.
Wow.
For a quick explanation, this device can detect if the soil is either moist or dry, and if it is, it will act quickly and automatically start watering the crops with the right amount, making sure it doesn't overwater or underwater. Let's go through the components one by one. First, we have the basics, which are the Arduino Uno, the resistor, LED, and the soil moisture sensor. Now, you might be wondering, what are these new components? Well, these components are essential for this project, so let's go through them one by one. First, we have the relay. This component acts up when it receives a signal from the soil moisture sensor. When the soil is not right for the plant, it then does its jobs and turns on the watering system. Over here we have the DC motor. This component is what pumps up the water and pours it all out when it receives the signal from the relay. And finally, the power supply. This component provides the energy for all the other components to do their job. Technically, it's the battery for this project because without it, this device wouldn't even work. Now, let's see it in action. If I press start simulation, the device suddenly springs to life. Let me explain how it works one by one. So the soil moisture sensor first detects if something is wrong. If the soil is still valid, the DC motor would usually keep spinning. But watch when the moisture changes. It sends a signal to the relay, and the relay activates, sending another signal to the DC motor as it stops spinning. If it stops spinning, then that's when you know the soil is not okay. When the DC motor stops spinning, it pours all the water out, watering the crop and soil. Now, since this is a simulation, there's actually no water to pour. But here's a video of how the device actually works in real life. It's truly amazing how this device can be very helpful to farmers. Now, after I showcased everything, here's the code. A quick and simple code that I learned from Easytronics. Big credits to him, by the way. And just like that, we've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and giving me a chance to explain and showcase another one of my project. And until the next ICT project,